Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Quabosely, and today we are fixing something that we never really followed through. If you remember, a few months ago I did a video on how to replace the striker bolts on a tailgate. I believe the title was called How to Fix a Rattling Tailgate. And what we did was we just replaced the striker bolts on the truck here. So we replaced these guys here. And so far they've held up pretty well. I think one of them is a little worn than the other. I think the other one over there is a little warm. When I replaced them, that did fix, there was a slight jiggle in the tailgate. It fixed it a little bit, but not quite. And what we noticed was these guys here, this is actually something I rigged up. There was actually nothing here. That was pretty much all that was there. And that is what holds the tailgate back when you push it up against the truck. So it's actually gonna hit somewhere around right here on the steel. I got replacement parts for it, and it's one of these rubber triangle stoppers. Something real easy, cheap thing was like $5 or $7 for the set. And that is what it will actually fix jiggle in the tailgate. So I'm gonna take that piece off there and then show you what I'm talking about. So all I'm gonna do is just take a pair of pliers, grab this piece off. So that is originally what was all there. So really, there was nothing to stop this tailgate from jiggling. So let me take off the other side and I'll show you what I mean by that slight jiggle. Now let me show you what I mean by the jiggle. That's the problem that we're having, and it seems I think one side is favored than the other, but overall you shouldn't have that shaking. So that's what these rubber stoppers are going to do. It's going to force the tailgate out, which then it won't jiggle. Let me show you how to install the first one here. So these are actually really simple. All you got to do is just take that cut end and kind of put it through the slices there and push it in, and there you go, you're done. That's already one in there. Now we just got to do it to the other side. So over here to the other side, you're just going to do the same thing. Put one end in the slice there, push it in all the way nice and firm, and then there you go, that one's locked in too. So now that they are both in, let's see what it does. See that? There's no hesitation whatsoever. That's pretty much it. You can actually see them hitting right there. Alrighty, so that concludes today's video. Pretty simple fix. It's nice to have something professional on there. So that fixed the tailgate from what I could see. It's even less of a jiggle than I had before. So that's nice. So that's fixed. So now we got a good working tailgate. Got new striker bolts, got new stoppers. That's pretty much all you could do on this. So I'm glad that worked out. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you. It's a real simple fix. It only took us 3 seconds per side. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Quabosely, and we'll catch you on the next one. If I could take you up in tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. Plans would come true. And my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and open the